In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draft a product in Shopify. Putting a product into draft mode is really useful when you're not quite ready for customers to see it yet. Maybe you're still working on the description, finalizing images, or confirming your pricing. Drafting the product lets you keep everything safe in your admin without showing it on your live store. First, start by going to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage everything for your store, like orders, products, customers, and more. Make sure you're logged into the correct store, and once you're on the admin homepage, you'll see a menu along the left side of the screen. From that left-hand menu, look for the section labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products. This will open a page that lists all the products currently in your store, including active products, drafts, and any archived items. If you have a lot of products, you can use the search bar at the top or the filters to quickly find the one you want to change. Next, locate the specific product you'd like to move into draft mode. Once you've found it in the list, look to the left of the product name. You should see a small, empty white square box. This is a checkbox used to select that product. Click on that box to select the product. When it's selected, the box will show a check mark and some new options will appear, usually above the list of products. After the product is selected, you'll see different bulk action options appear, such as changing status, adding to collections, or other actions. What you want to look for is the option that says Set as Draft. Click on Set as Draft. This tells Shopify that you want to change the status of the selected product from active to draft. When you click Set as Draft, Shopify will usually show a confirmation window or a small pop-up, just to make sure you really want to make this change. This is helpful so you don't accidentally hide products from your store. In that confirmation window, click on Set as Draft again to confirm your choice. Once you confirm, Shopify will update the status of that product. It will no longer be visible to customers on your online store, but it will still be available in your admin for you to edit at any time. And that's it. You've successfully set your product as a draft in Shopify.